How to customize iPhone lock screen in iOS 18. Let's get started. Want to make your iPhone lock screen stand out? With iOS 18, customizing your lock screen is easier and more fun than ever before. Here's how you can do it. First, swipe down from the left corner of your screen. Then, scroll to the right and click on this plus icon. Now you're gonna find the bunch of options for the wallpaper. Go through these and then select the wallpaper. After you select it, now let's move towards the widgets. Tap on Add Widgets button and you will see options for weather, calendar, battery status and more. Choose which ones you want to display to get quick access to important information without unlocking your phone. Next, you can personalize the look of your clock by changing its font and color. Just tap on the clock and you'll get a range of font styles and colors to choose from. Pick one that matches your wallpaper for a sleek, coordinated look. With upgrade to iOS 18, now you are able to change the camera and flashlight icons given in your lock screen. Click on this minus icons. With that, these features will be removed. Now click on the plus option. Now from here you can select any of the controls to add in your lock screen. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can fully customize your iPhone lock screen with iOS 18, making it not only functional but uniquely yours. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.